Alright, here's a detailed video on how to hook this up so you can hook up an amp in your 340i BMW. So what I first did, I ran a power and a ground, ran it underneath, chased it through under here, and then I ran the power and ground right there. Then I have a remote in line coming over here. I tucked under the trim, and it's going to come all the way over here, and it's going to go to fuse 147. I just jammed it right in at number 5. It's going to be 147. And it says it's the radio right in the little cheat sheet. 147. So that is the remote in right here, and of course the remote out is going to go through your amp. So all that's jammed in there, and when I turn it on, it'll come on and it should go right off when I lock the car too. It's unlocked, not on. Turn it on, radio's on, and now we have power to it. This was a pain in the ass hooking up too, but I finally got it. So then of course we need to turn it off, and it goes off too. And now it went off. So there's how you hook up this. That light will eventually go off too. It takes like 30 seconds or a minute or so, but both lights will go off though, so you won't have to worry about it. But that's how I hooked up this. So now I can hook up my amp, and it should be all fine. I'll have a follow-up video with that. Alright, thanks.